Alrighty guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're gonna do a little demo of all of our patterns that we teach on our website for the bachata. We do have 11 patterns in the bachata, so we're gonna include all of those. And then we'll demo it with music. We're not gonna teach it because it's just gonna be a social way that we might dance this, and then you get to see all of the patterns that we teach on our website. And if you wanted to learn them step by step, you can go ahead and check it out there, okay? Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here for more. And don't forget to head to our website, ballroomfeed.com, where we teach all of these step by step, and you can see a ton of more things on there like styling, technique, all of that. So check that out and come back here for the next one. See ya.